As of now, you have a basic idea about SwiftUI and understand how to display text. Now let's see how to display images. In this tutorial, you are going to learn how to add images to SwiftUI. First of all, you need to have an image available on your Mac. If you don't have an image on your Mac, you can download images from any URL. Once you have an image on your computer, open Xcode's Asset Catalog. Click on Assets in Project Navigator to open the Assets Catalog for your project. Here we can add an image. There are two ways to add an image to Xcode project. First one is to drag and drop an image file from Finder onto the Assets Catalog. Dragging the image will automatically create new image set for you. Or click on plus button at the very bottom of the Assets Navigator view and then select a new image set. After that, drag and drop an image into the newly created image set, placing it at appropriate 1x, 2x or 3x slot. For testing purpose, I can only drag it onto the 1x slot. Make sure to double click on newly created image set and rename it according to your needs. I am going to name this image to test image. Once you have uploaded the image, the easiest way to show and manipulate the image is through the image function. Within the content view of your Xcode project, then simply use image function. You will notice that the above image extends beyond the screen size and only portion of it is visible. In order to fix that, apply resizable modifier to make it fit the entire available screen area. By default, the image will automatically take the original size of the image. To make it resize to the container size, you will use resizable modifier. It will resize the image to fill the screen. By default, the original image is scaled to fill the whole screen, except to safe area, which is top and bottom. We can ignore the safe area by using edges ignoring safe area modifier. All means top and bottom. By the way, you can choose to just ignore the top like this dot top, or just ignoring the bottom part like this. It looks much better in a sense that it fits within the screen edges. However, it is stretched out. Now let's scale this image to fit within the screen edges and maintain its aspect ratio. If you want to keep the original aspect ratio of this image, you can use scale to fit modifier. Alternatively, you can use aspect ratio content mode modifier, which will provide the same result as scale to fit modifier. The aspect ratio modifier allows you to maintain the aspect ratio of the image. You can change the content mode to fit or fill. Manually setting the image size. The frame modifier allows you to manually adjust the size of the image. We are using the SwiftUI Canvas live preview, and it is highlighted at the border of the custom frame. Now it does not fill the entire height of the custom frame. Align the image to the top of the custom frame. Top, bottom, center. How to clip the image to a circle and display only portion of the image covered by the circle. By applying the resizable modifier, you are allowing to set the aspect ratio of the image. And we use the aspect ratio modifier to fill the entire content of the parent container. We are restrict the size of the image to the custom frame with width, height and alignment. Now we are applying the clip shape modifier using a circle. We can also clip the image to a custom frame and add a border to it. Making the image transparent. When it comes to making the image transparent, SwiftUI has opacity modifier for taking care of it. The level of opacity is between 0 to 1. 0 means the image is completely invisible, while 1 means the image is fully visible. We will make the image partially transparent by setting 0.5 to the opacity value.